Like me, you may not have seen your grandparents alive, and all you have of them is an old black and white photo, and you keep wondering, how would they look like in color? Worry no more, I'm here to teach you how. The app that we'll need for this is called Colorize. Colorize is an app that uses AI technology in adding color to your black and white photos. It uses your phone's camera in capturing your image, and then with its incredible AI analysis technology, adds color to your photo. Colorize needs a stable internet connection to work well. It has a very aesthetic UI and comes with a great user experience. You don't really need anyone to teach you how to use it. Once you download it, it is pretty easy to navigate the app. You can take a photo with your phone's camera or upload one from your gallery, and Colorize does the work of bringing it to life. It comes with a subscription fee of about 35 cedis or about $6. But you get a free 3-day trial and a limited number of images you can process each day. Though it takes a while to process your image, Colorize does an excellent job in colorizing your image, but it sometimes struggles with processing some parts of some very old images. So I took the liberty of trying out the app with some old photos, and here are the before and after states. Personally, I would give Colorize a 3 out of 3 rating. 1 star for its beautiful user interface. I'm sure you'd agree with me once you get this app downloaded and you experience it for yourself. Another star for its exceptional user experience. You really don't need anyone to teach you how to use this app. You don't need a tutorial of any sort. Once you get the app downloaded, just get right into it, and I promise you, you'd figure it out on your own. And 1 more star for its functionality. Colorize does its work extremely well, and thumbs up to the developers. And I'll just say that it struggles a little bit when it comes to certain images, but yeah, it does its work extremely well, and excellent work by the developers. Okay, so that's the Colorize app. I would like you to download it and let me know your reactions. Come back to this video and comment under this video. Experiment with some images when you download this app, and tag us on Instagram at Techtify, and we'll definitely share your posts. Like, subscribe, and share this video. This gives us a lot of encouragement when we see people subscribing, so please make sure to do that. And this has been our first episode of the App Bites, where we looked at the Colorize app. We'll be looking at another one in the next video, so catch you soon on that one. My name is Neither King. Stay safe.